In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram not sending verification code. Now to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to try signing in to your Telegram account. Now once you try signing into your account, you'll need to enter a verification code that Telegram sent you as a message to your number or your Telegram account accessed on another device. The first thing that you'll need to do here is to go ahead and check your messages. Now, if you don't find the verification code on the messages area, you can go ahead and recheck the number that you've entered, since maybe you've entered a wrong number. Now, the last option that you have is to open Telegram on your other device and check if they sent a verification code on your Telegram account access on that other device. And that's how you fix Telegram not sending verification code. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.